Have you ever stopped to think about the journey of a single corn kernel before it becomes part of a delicious arepa? Picture this, a lone corn cob, lost in a vast field filled with thousands just like it, all with an uncertain future. What would its destiny be? It was caught in a delicate balance. Would it become a quick snack for the birds that swooped in each morning, the moment the farmer turned his back? Or would it achieve its ultimate dream, the dream of becoming a true Colombian arepa? It didn't care if it was baked or grilled. The only thing that mattered was making it out of the countryside, leaving the village behind, and landing on a plate in a bustling Bogotá restaurant. Imagine the honor. It would be carefully boiled until perfectly tender, then shelled and ground. It would transform into that warm, flawless dough that smells like home, like comfort, like family. This isn't just any food. This is an ancestral arepa, a tradition born long before the days of Gran Colombia. It's the very same arepa that has graced breakfast tables every single morning, witnessing generations of Colombians grow and change. It's an immortal, eternal dough. From those ancient times all the way to today, it has been the thread connecting every generation back to the sacred land they came from. The story of the arepa is more than just the story of corn. It's the story of a culture, a people, and a shared heritage. It's a taste of history, a bite of home, and a symbol of a connection that withstands the test of time. Every time you enjoy an arepa, you're not just eating. You're taking part in a tradition that has nourished a nation for centuries. It's a simple, humble, yet profound piece of culinary art. So next time you hold a warm arepa in your hands, remember its incredible journey and the rich history it represents. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tales from the heart of culture and cuisine. See you in the next one.